Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. What is the Quran and why should you read it? Because it has all great features that we will see in this clip. It is a book of success. What is the proof? Well, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who brought it and followed it first, became the most successful person in the history, according to Encyclopedia Britannica, 11th edition. And he became the most influential person too, according to Michael Hart, author of The 100. There is no other person in the history who brought a book, followed it, and became the most successful person. Its first recipients were people in Arabian desert who had no school, no university, nothing. But when they followed it, they excelled in all fields of life, spiritual, material, educational, economical, and political, a power that lasted almost 1,000 years. They were the happiest too, at peace with their heart and mind. It helps you develop success attributes. It is a unique book, the most widely read, studied, and memorized book. It is an authentic and uncorrupted book. Prophet Muhammad could never have written it because of the book's extensive coverage of topics. And for the same reason, nobody could produce a book like it. It is the only book addressed by God Himself. No other book claims to be so. It is addressed to the whole mankind without any bias because of their color, race, religion, or language. It invites people to think and not believe in things blindly. This is the ultimate book to get peace, spirituality, and tranquility in this life. It is a complete and perfect book covering different aspects of human life. It gives amazing models of the best humans who walked on this earth. It gives clear and convincing answers to ultimate questions. Why am I here? Where will I go after I die? And so on. It has a number of miracles, scientific, statistical, historical, etc. And its predictions came true. And therefore, its predictions about our future after death will also come true. You can't ignore this book. It shows the best way to ask God, and it is the best book to know about God. And it is the best book to guard against weakness and evils. And last, and the most shocking fact is, it is brought by a prophet who could not read nor write. It is impossible for such a person to write such a great book. It can only be from God. Read the Quran. It is for you, for your own peace, happiness, and success in this world and in the hereafter. In our 3-minute series, we will address each of the above features in more details. وجزاكم الله خير والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.